Thanks for logging on to ABC15.com. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. Another day of strong winds today, and that is going to heighten the fire danger in our state with fire weather alerts in effect today for parts of Arizona. We've got a cold front that's heading into northern Arizona this weekend, and that is what's prompting these stronger winds, but it's also going to usher in some cooler air. So winds today in the valley a little stronger than yesterday with gusts between 25 and 30 miles an hour at times. Sustained winds coming in out of the west-southwest between 10 and 20 miles an hour this afternoon into the evening. Breezy to windy in the valley, but those winds again stronger in parts of northern and especially northeast Arizona, where gusts will peak near 45 miles an hour. So a wind alert or a wind advisory in effect for areas just north of the rim, right along I-40. That includes Flagstaff, Winslow, Heber, and Show Low. Also up into Window Rock, they'll feel those strong winds, but again, that wind advisory mainly right along that I-40 corridor. In addition to the wind advisory for northeast Arizona, we are also under a red flag warning or a fire weather warning. That's also includes portions of the rim, the White Mountains, up into the Four Corners region. It's a combination of those strong winds, the very dry conditions, and those warm temperatures that are heightening that wildfire danger in our state. So we're seeing that wildfire risk climb into the moderate to high range this afternoon in northeast Arizona and in southeast Arizona. The winds will back off. The fire danger backs off tomorrow, but then tomorrow afternoon, I should say, that wind danger or the fire danger backs off tonight. Tomorrow afternoon, we see that fire danger climb again. And then those winds overall backing off a little bit more by Sunday. But the next couple days, again, some elevated fire conditions, and certainly the winds not going to be beneficial to the fire crews that are dealing and battling the Woodbury fire. We saw a large growth in the fire yesterday because of the strong winds, and today there's a possibility for more growth as those winds will be coming in out of the southwest between 10 and 20 miles an hour. Peak wind gusts could top 25 miles an hour today, and that smoke will be blowing to the northeast as those winds come in out of the southwest. Again, the fire growth could also be to the northeast because of those southwesterly winds. So we're going to be watching that situation closely through the day today. They're dealing with very dry conditions, those stronger winds, and very warm to hot temperatures. Some spots in that area where the fire is burning will see highs near 100 today. Temperatures across the valley this afternoon reaching the low 100s with a high of 101 for Apache Junction, 102 in Chandler, 101 in Tempe. Then look at those lows. Down into the upper 60s tonight in Scottsdale and in Cave Creek. Also, Queen Creek will see a low of 69 degrees overnight. In the West Valley, a high of 100 in Surprise, 102 in Avondale, and 102 in Glendale, with overnight lows down into the low 70s too. Across the state, a little bit cooler with spots like Bullhead City reaching the low 100s, 90 for a high in Kingman, only 74 in Flagstaff today, 80 in Show Low, Smoky, and a high of 92 in Globe today. Notice the lows tonight will cool back down into the 40s and 50s in much of northern Arizona, and lows here in the valley down into the 60s to low 70s. And this weekend, a little cooler even. Our Saturday temperature will be the coolest with a high of just 99 in Phoenix. That means much of the valley we'll see those highs in the mid to upper 90s Saturday afternoon. 30-year average high is 106, so we'll be below that. And on Sunday, it's looking a little hotter than it previously was, but only into the low 100s for Phoenix. That means many spots will still only reach the upper 90s, and that's still below the normal high for this time of year. So as you're making your weekend plans, you've got a little bit more flexibility in the mornings as temperatures will be a little slower to warm. Both days will be into the low 90s by lunchtime on Saturday, into the mid 90s by lunchtime on Sunday. Notice temperatures across the state dipping down a little bit, especially Saturday. Flagstaff down into the low 70s Saturday. Sedona down into the low 80s Saturday, and Prescott, you'll see a similar setup too. Temperatures in Casa Grande in the hundreds today, but down into the 90s tomorrow into Sunday. We do have a slight chance for showers and thunderstorms along the rim and in northeast Arizona on Saturday as that cold front moves in. Today looking sunny and dry. Tomorrow a few showers could certainly develop, mainly along the rim and up into northeast Arizona, but very isolated showers and thunderstorms are possible in northern Arizona as this cold front swings in. Dangerous lightning could certainly be an issue though, so we'll have to watch for that tomorrow. A high of 102 today, 99 on Saturday, back into the low 100s on Sunday, and then next week closer to normal with those high temperatures right around 105 each day.